Hi, I'm Brad from T.CON, and today we're going to look at one specific aspect of MES CAT, and that's going to be instructions. So let's take a look. If you look at the screen, you'll see we have kind of our normal work center. In this case, it's a reel or roll packaging work center. You have the various different setups that you might see in our other work centers. But what you can see here is there's usually documents stored here, which are stored in an SAP DMS normally. You can have documents for production order, documents based on a material, but what's specific you can set up for individual work centers, and that's we have in this case, is packaging instructions. So for example, if you click here, you can see nice packaging instructions for how the pallet is supposed to be loaded for this specific customer or this specific production order. You can also require via a dialog that the operator confirms that they followed these instructions and they packed the reels accordingly. So this is just kind of an example of how you can, include certain aspects to help and support the operators they're using this with, not only via text dialogues, but also via documents or videos. And this is just one example we have here today. So in future videos, we're going to take a look at other aspects of MES CAT. Thank you for your time. Bye.